A very good day to Dr. Emma. My name is Jyoti here, and today I'll be talking about the evolution of digital payments from cash to e-wallets in Malaysia. The list of contents that I'll be talking today are introduction, what are digital payments, key stages of payment evolution, benefits of digital payments, challenges in digital payments, and also conclusion. Today, we are diving into one of the most exciting areas of fintech, financial technology, and that's the evolution of digital payments. If you look at how we pay for things today, you'll notice it's completely different from what it was just 20 or 30 years ago. We've moved from cash to cards to apps on our phones. This journey is a big part of how technology is changing our everyday life, not just in Malaysia, but around the world. So let's take a closer look at how digital payments have evolved and why this is such a major fintech trend. Let's start with a simple question. What are digital payments? Digital payments are any payments made electronically without the use of physical cash or paper checks. This could be through credit cards, debit cards, online bank transfer, e-wallets, QR codes, and or even cryptocurrencies. If you've ever shopped on Lazada or Shopee, paid for a Grab ride, sent money to a friend using Do It Now, or bought a mail using Touch and Go e-wallet, you've already been a part of the digital payments revolution. Digital payments are everywhere and they make life so much convenient. But to really appreciate this change, let's rewind and see how things used to be. Imagine Malaysia in the 1990s and early 2000s. Back then, cash was everything. Every market, every bus stop, every shop, even paying for your utilities required cash. You'd queue up at the ATM, withdraw a thick stack of ringgit notes, and hope you have had a small change for the day. I remember the heavy 50 cents coins and the colorful ringgit notes that we'd use for everything. For many families, payday meant a trip to the bank, and paying bills meant queuing up at the post office sometimes for a house. It was normal, but looking back, it wasn't always efficient, especially when you think about how far we have come now. From cash era now to the cards era began the stage. The rise of debits and credit cards. This was a game changer for many Malaysians. With a card in your wallet, you didn't need to carry as much as cash and transactions were faster and safer. Malaysia's first ATM was introduced in 1981, and over the years, they have become a common sight everywhere. Swiping a card at the supermarket, using an ATM at any time of the day, or even shopping in malls without worrying about carrying too much cash, all these became normal. Cards also made it easier to travel, dine out, or make bigger purchases. For many, cards were their first real taste of fintech, even before the word fintech became popular. From the cards era, now the online banking. The 2000s brought another big leap, which is online banking. Banks like Maybank, CIMB, and Public Bank launched online platforms like Maybank to You and CIMB Clicks. Now you could check your balance, transfer money, and pay bills from home or even from your mobile phone. Online banking cut down queues and paperwork and make it easy to manage your finances from anywhere. At the same time, online shopping exploded. Websites and apps like Lazada, Shopee, and Zalora allowed us to buy anything from clothes to electronics without leaving the house. Digital payments hence became the backbone of e-commerce, and it's amazing to think about how normal it feels today to shop for groceries or clothes just online and to just check out in seconds. Now, let's talk about the real game changer, e-wallets. In recent years, e-wallets have taken Malaysia by storm. Apps like Touch and Go e-wallet, Boost, GrabPay, ShopeePay, and BigPay have become household names. What's an e-wallet? It's basically a digital version of your physical wallet but on your phone. You can store money in the app linked into your bank account or card and pay instantly by scanning a QR code anywhere from Starbucks to your favorite roadside nasi lemak stall. COVID 19 really sped this trend up. This is due to reduced physical contact. Businesses and customers have started preferring cashless and touch free payments. Even Pasamalam vendors and small business who have always dealt in cash now have QR codes. I remember the first time I paid for roti chana with my phone at a mama store. It felt so high tech, but now it's just everyday life. E-wallets aren't just about convenience. They came with cashback, promotions, and reward. So even let you pay bills, buy tickets, and send money to your friend instantly. Let's look at some real examples. These days, most people I know use wallets for daily expenses, paying for food, groceries, transport, and even clinics or tuition centers. I paid for breakfast with my phone just this morning. E-wallets are accepted almost everywhere in the city and are spreading quickly to a smaller town. The rewards are also a big draw. It feels very great to get an instant cashback or special discount just by using an app. Plus, you can track all your spending inside the app. No more guessing where your money went. The government also played a part. Programs like e-Tunai Rakyat gave Malaysia free credits to encourage everyone to try on e-wallets. It's clear digital payments are now a part of everyday Malaysian life. Next, I will talk about the benefits of digital payments. Why are digital payments so popular? Let's break down on the benefits. Firstly, they are fast and convenient. There is no need to carry cash or count change. Just tap or scan and you're done in seconds. They are also safer. There's less risk of losing your money to theft or misplacing cash. Tracking your expenses is also easier because every payment is recorded automatically in your banking app or e-wallet. There is also rewards and discounts. Many e-wallet offer cashback, special deals, and loyalty point. For businesses, digital payments means less hassle with cash handling, fewer mistakes, and even faster closing at the end of the day. Another benefit was just inclusivity. Digital payments make it easier for people in rural areas to join the financial system, even if they don't have a bank branch nearby, as long they have a phone and internet, they are done for the day. And of course, digital payments comes with their own setback of challenges. Not everyone is comfortable with technology. For example, some elderly people might find it difficult to use smartphones, install apps, or understand how to make digital payments. It can be confusing, especially if they're used to cash. There are also risks of scams or fraud. Digital payments are sometimes targeted by an online scammers or hackers. Fake messages, phishing scams, and also suspicious QR code are some of the dangers. That is why it is so important to be careful. Never share your PIN and password and only for official apps. Access is also another issue. You would need a smartphone and a reliable internet connection to use digital payments. Not everyone, especially in rural areas, has this. These digital divides mean some people are left out even as the country moves towards cashless payment. But as business technology improves, the digital literacy grows, we can hope these challenges will become smaller over time. What's next for digital payments in Malaysia? Globally, there are growing excitement about cryptocurrency like Bitcoin and even meme coins. These are digital currency that don't rely on any bank or government. Malaysia is also exploring the idea of digital ringgits, an official digital currency issued by the Bank Negara Malaysia. These benefits could be even faster transaction, lower fees, and more ways to pay even across countries. But there are also some concerns that if cryptocurrency is still very volatile and not everyone trusts them yet, maybe in few years we'll be paying with digital ringgit or even using blockchain-based solution for more secure payments. No matter what, it is clear that digital payments will keep changing and getting better with new technology over time. To sum up, digital payments are a huge part of fintech and have completely transformed daily lives in Malaysia. From lining up for cash at the post office to swiping card at the supermarket to scanning a QR code at a local stores, payments have become faster, safer, and smarter. But we should also remember to help those who struggle with technology and always stay alert for scams. Digital payments are not just about convenience, they represent a new way of life where technology connects us all. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey today through the evolution of digital payments in Malaysia. If you found this video useful, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends, Dr. Emma. Let me know in the comments what's your favorite way to pay these days, cash, card, or e wallet. Thank you.